Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, we'll need to pop off the cover of the device. So I'll just flip it over and you can see a little bit of a pull tab right over here. Pop your nail in it, pull up. Make sure you don't pull it up too hard or you might actually break the cover. It's made out of flimsy plastic, so don't expect too much rigidity out of it. But yeah, once you pop it out, you can actually take out the battery if you really want to, which is a little bit of a weird thing. But yeah, once you take out the battery, you can insert the SIM card and SD card. So let's start off with the SIM card. Grab it while holding it, make sure the cutout is on the upper left side, and then place it right over here. There we go. And push it in. Make sure it's all the way. There we go. And you can take the SD card and place it also right here. The SD card goes on top. As you can see, just place it on top here and push it all the way in. So now let's get our battery, plop it back in, and let's flip it over and hold the power key to turn it back on. I'm not gonna bother putting out the cover for now. And there we go. So once it boots back up, you can see right here, enter SIM card pin. So the SIM card is obviously working. Let's unlock it and see if we have some kind of pop-up associated with the SD card, but SD card should be working as well. Let me just quickly check or show. Oh, I can already see the icon for the SIM card. So there we go. SD card inserted. So both of them are working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.